Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is all about boosting your metabolism naturally for faster weight loss. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute. Isn't that just another fad diet or expensive supplement? But I'm here to tell you that it's not. In fact, we're going to focus on simple and effective ways to naturally boost your metabolism, without any gimmicks or expensive supplements. So, if you're looking for a sustainable way to achieve your weight loss goals without relying on extreme measures, you've come to the right place. That's right. No more starvation diets. No more expensive supplements. Just simple, effective ways to help your body burn more calories and lose weight faster. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be able to eat whatever they want without gaining weight, while others struggle to lose even a pound? It all comes down to metabolism, the process by which your body converts food into energy. Metabolism is a complex process that involves many different factors, including your age, sex, and genetics. But one thing is for sure: the faster your metabolism, the more calories your body burns throughout the day, even while you're at rest. And that's why metabolism is so important for weight loss. When you're trying to lose weight, you want to create a calorie deficit. That is, you want to burn more calories than you consume. While you can't change some of these factors, there are natural ways to boost your metabolism and increase your calorie burn. By boosting your metabolism, you can increase the number of calories you burn each day, making it easier to achieve your weight loss goals. Metabolism refers to the series of chemical reactions that occur in the body to convert food into energy that can be used by the body's cells. This energy is necessary for all of the body's functions, from breathing to digestion to movement. When you eat food, your body breaks it down into nutrients and uses those nutrients to fuel your body's metabolic processes. If your metabolism is functioning optimally, your body will burn those calories efficiently, converting them into energy and using that energy to power your daily activities. The body burns at rest, known as the basal metabolic rate, BMR. The BMR accounts for about 60 to 70% of the total calories that the body burns each day. The higher the BMR, the more calories the body burns, even when it's at rest. Therefore, increasing metabolism is an effective way to boost weight loss efforts. By increasing the number of calories the body burns, it becomes easier to create a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss. This can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle factors, such as exercise, diet, and adequate sleep. When it comes to weight loss, a slow metabolism can be a major obstacle. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur in your body to maintain life, including the conversion of food into energy. If your metabolism is slow, your body may burn fewer calories throughout the day, making it harder to lose weight even if you are following a healthy diet and exercise routine. Fortunately, there are ways to boost your metabolism naturally, which can help you burn more calories and achieve your weight loss goals. By incorporating certain foods and exercises into your routine, you can increase your metabolic rate and create a more efficient calorie burning machine. Eating the right foods is key to boosting metabolism and promoting weight loss. It's important to note that the daily recommended calorie intake for men and women may vary based on age, activity level, and other factors. However, here are some foods that can help boost metabolism and their recommended daily servings for adult men and women. Lean protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, which in turn boosts metabolism. Good sources of lean protein include chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and low-fat dairy products. Men should aim for 6 to 7 servings per day, while women should aim for 5 to 6 servings per day. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber slows down digestion, which helps keep you feeling fuller for longer and can boost metabolism. Good sources of fiber include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, and nuts. Men should aim for 30 to 38 grams per day, while women should aim for 21 to 25 grams per day. Spicy foods. Spicy foods like cayenne pepper and chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and help burn calories. Incorporate a small amount of these foods into your meals to give your metabolism a kick. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants and caffeine, which can boost metabolism and increase energy expenditure. Aim for 2 to 3 cups per day. Water. Drinking water can help boost metabolism by keeping you hydrated and aiding in digestion. Men should aim for 3.7 liters per day, while women should aim for 2.7 liters per day. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help boost your metabolism naturally and promote weight loss. It's important to remember to maintain a balanced diet and not rely solely on any one food or food group. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism and achieving weight loss goals. Consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods can help maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscles, which can increase metabolism. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, and legumes. A breakfast option that incorporates protein is scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado toast. A lunch option can be a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and veggies. And a dinner option can be a salmon fillet with roasted veggies. Fiber-rich foods can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full, which can prevent overeating. Examples of fiber-rich foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. A high-fiber breakfast option can be oatmeal with berries and nuts. A fiber-rich snack can be apple slices with peanut butter. And a dinner option can be quinoa and black bean chili. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocado, and fatty fish, can help improve metabolism and support brain function. A snack option can be a handful of almonds or a sliced avocado with whole grain crackers. To incorporate these metabolism-boosting foods into your daily meals and snacks, try meal prepping and planning out your meals ahead of time. Include a protein source, fiber-rich veggies or whole grains, and healthy fats in each meal. Snacks can also include a combination of protein and fiber, such as Greek yogurt with berries or hummus with veggies. Remember to also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Did you know that drinking water can actually increase your metabolism? Studies have shown that drinking 17 ounces of water can temporarily boost your metabolism by up to 30%. This effect is thought to be due to the fact that water increases the number of calories your body burns during digestion. To take advantage of this metabolic boost, it's important to make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. A general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. But this can vary based on factors like age, sex, and activity level. To increase your water intake, try carrying a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. This will make it easy to drink water on the go and keep track of how much you're drinking throughout the day. You can also add some flavor to your water by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or other fruits and vegetables. This can make it more enjoyable to drink water and help you stay hydrated. In addition to drinking plain water, you can also get water from other sources like herbal tea, unsweetened coconut water, and low-sodium broth. Just be sure to avoid sugary drinks and excessive amounts of caffeine, which can dehydrate you and cancel out the benefits of drinking water. Regular exercise not only benefits your physical health but also your metabolism. When you exercise, your body burns calories and boosts its metabolic rate. This effect can last for several hours after you finish your workout, allowing you to continue burning calories even when you're at rest. Aerobic exercises, such as running, cycling, and swimming, are great for boosting metabolism and burning calories. Strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or resistance band training, can also help increase muscle mass, which in turn can boost your metabolism. To make the most out of your exercise routine, try to incorporate a mix of aerobic and strength training exercises into your weekly schedule. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Also, on our channel, We have many videos that demonstrate various types of exercise and workouts that you can try. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more tips and information. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and promoting weight loss. When we sleep, our bodies go through various changes that affect our metabolism. For example, sleep deprivation can disrupt the hormones that regulate our appetite and metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. On the other hand, getting enough sleep can help regulate these hormones and increase our metabolic rate. Experts recommend that adults get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to support a healthy metabolism and weight loss. To achieve better quality sleep, you can try establishing a bedtime routine, such as winding down with a book or taking a warm bath before bed. Avoiding screens before bed can also help, as the blue light from electronic devices can interfere with our sleep. In addition, creating a sleep-conducive environment, such as keeping the bedroom cool and dark, can promote better quality sleep. Lastly, incorporating relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can also help improve the quality of your sleep. By prioritizing sleep and getting enough restful sleep each night, you can support a healthy metabolism and improve your weight loss efforts. In conclusion, natural ways to boost metabolism are essential for sustainable weight loss. Eating a balanced diet that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats, drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, and getting enough quality sleep can all contribute to an improved metabolism. By making simple changes to your lifestyle, you can increase your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. Remember to stay consistent and patient in your journey towards a healthier you. Don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Together, you can support each other and achieve your health goals. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance. Don't be too hard on yourself and keep working towards your goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. For more tips on healthy living, share your experiences with these tips in the comments section below.